welcome to my vlog. I'm currently at ilcorso, Cebu. We're going to a birthday celebration, just a very quick gathering with friends. There is no entrance as long as you buy drinks inside. It has an expensive price tag, and as you can see, it's all glass doors. I didn't expect it to have like the boomer vibe, but it's nice. I have been feeling burned out lately. Don't forget to hydrate, guys. So as I'm saying, I'm feeling pretty burned out lately. I've been looking for some kind of outlet. Making videos is one of them, but I still need like more of a physical activity since I work from home. Walking sometimes, but I get bored of it. So I will be trying trekking, guys, with my friends. This is located in Banawa. It's one of the famous trails. It's best for beginners, as they say. We are currently purchasing food, and we also brought water. We already got coffee from Dunkin' Donuts and a few donuts too. However, it's kind of a bad idea, and you will see why. I mean, it's not really a bad idea, but it's not the best one for me. I think it doesn't work for me. Maybe others, you like to bring donuts with you, but I think it's not the best one for me. I should have brought like a protein bar or something else, like more filling. But hey, it's my first time, so I really don't have any idea what to do in trekking, and this is like a spur of the moment. I also suggest buying sticks from the locals, like this kuya right here and manong right here. He's selling sticks for 20 pesos. So it's very affordable. It helps the community. I think it's nice to just purchase from them. Sticks, they say, is very helpful keeping you balanced, especially when the path or the trail is uphill and it's rocky. You need something to balance with, and there are like not much of plants here, unfortunately, so having a stick is very helpful. However, if you're used to like trekking, I don't think you'd like to get a stick because it will just end up bothering you. We're all very excited on this track. I'm very excited actually, but I'm also scared. Okay, we almost got lost because it's very dark, but it's easy. Like the trail is like easy to follow, but mind you, this is not like your beginner's trail for me because it's just always uphill. It's kind of challenging for me actually. And yeah, I almost thought that I couldn't make it. I almost like felt fainting in like not even like 1/4 of the trip. Maybe because it's my first time. I'm not like used to it, and I'm having anxiety. I fear that I might not be able to make it. I might faint, and nobody is gonna help me or pick me up. And I was like heavily breathing. I cannot control my breathing, nor I cannot control my strides. But the experience is mind awakening. I actually liked it, although it's kind of like a torture if you ask the others. There are a lot of hikers as well, and it's a Monday. So I did take a lot of sit downs here because just to calm myself and to like cool down, make sure that I regain my strength and walk again. Ang donuts. Ikaw kay donuts toy.
Doon sila nun, buti lang kami rin. Bukas wala ng tag. Ano si Daw? Hindi ba? Mag-picture ka na.
Madlok, magpupuyo ganin mo.
We're here at our first official stop. It's called Kopi Ben. The stopovers here are named after famous cafes. So Kopi Ben is coffee bean, Starbucks for Starbucks, and there's also a Boss Coffee or Boss Coffee, something like that. Although the trail, I'm not exactly sure what the name of the trail is actually, or they just call it Starbucks because there's like a Starbucks signage at the end of the Starbuks Trail. So a couple of products here are overpriced, but it's not that bad. This is where you can buy like a couple of food to power you through the next trail, and the next trail is like really high. Like it's a slope, like a deep slope, and it's rocky as well. Oh my god. Hi guys. Oh my god, kakiyupaklok. Saka pa siya, shit. Pero mo na, di ba? Diya. Kusog ba? Ang theory is every pamaol, monoak, di ba? Every pamaol, mo-eat. Na to. Inani lagi para dili ko makakuan kapuyon awa ako nilaktan. So I'm currently unboxing some items that I've just received. As you may know, or if you don't know, I have a TikTok page. I'm an affiliate, and if you need these items that I'm unboxing right now, they're all available in my showcase on my TikTok page. You can check it out. Check my TikTok page if you want to purchase these. I'd be grateful, and thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next vlog.